Fun, fam. And if you're brand new to the channel, welcome in to follow the Bradley's Fun. My name is Ronnie Bradley. I'm here with my beautiful wife. And we hope that wherever you are, you're having a phenomenal day. Speaking of the day as I'm recording of this, it is September the 7th. Yes, September the 7th, 2024. And we're here at Primark to see the brand new store here at the Florida Mall.
It's so hot.
It is super hot, so we're gonna go inside. Come along with us and follow the Bradley's Fun. We're at the Florida Mall at Cantina Katrina, and my wife is with some dead chick. I don't know what that's about. It's Coco. Primark. Here we go. Oh, this entrance is not an entrance. Even though it completely looks like an entrance. I'm gonna tell you, that may not be the best first impression, being treated like that by employees immediately. That's not, especially on camera. So Primark, you better do better. I'm just saying. Like, thousands of people are gonna see this, so just let you know. I have to be honest, I had never heard of Primark till literally just a couple of days ago. So apparently they sell Disney stuff and whatever. But when it comes to shopping and merchandise, none of this stuff is that big of a deal to me. I guess it's a big deal to some people, but I'm not a big spender, so... But I'll check it out. I'll show it to you guys because you guys want to know. Appreciate you checking out today's video. If you don't mind, if you're enjoying what you see, leave a like on this video. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to the channel. It's free to do. And click that notification bell, because when you click it, you stick it to the YouTube algorithm and you get notified of all of our uploads here at Follow the Bradley's Fun. Share this out on your social medias, and before you head out the door, make sure you leave a comment below. Thank you so much. All right, entering Primark, take two. And there are a ton of people around. They're walking into the shop, so I'm assuming they don't mind being on camera. Here we are. We made it in. Yay.
We did it.
Now, what is the big deal?
Disney is upstairs, as everybody says in the video. I'm not sure, but let's go upstairs first.
Okay, here we go. All right, so for the record, this is not my jam. Just so that you guys out there know, if you guys love crowds and massive shopping centers and that's your jam, that's cool. That's fine. Yeah, this ain't my jam. I'm actually kind of freaking out. And I'm not afraid to admit it, because I'm much more of a shopping online person where it's nice and quiet and I can figure out what I want without being presented with 1,000 billion different options. That's me. You do you, I'll do me, and then we all get along. It's fine, right? Taking a break from the store for just a second. I didn't know it was going to be like that, and that's a little bit overwhelming for me. Again, I do most of my shopping online. Thank God for online shopping, because it's helped me out a lot. I do not deal with crowds or people very well. That's why I like going to Disney these days. There's never a crowd there right now. And we are back at Primark. Oh, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. Look, there's a little bit of Disney stuff down here before you ever even go upstairs. Or maybe this is just storage. I don't even know if this is for sale. They got a bin back here. This is crazy. Ooh, Minions. Man, you know, you create an IP and you can just merchandise the heck out of all of it these days. It's kind of crazy, really. I'm right here. Yay. I think this place might have the Disney curse because already here it is like day 2 and their escalator is broken. They're not even letting people walk up it. The down escalator works, but not the up escalator. And up is where you go to get to the Disney stuff, and nothing in Disney seems to work anymore. So there you go. So store just opens, escalator doesn't work. Big line for this single elevator that they have in this entire huge store. You can see how big the store is. Wow. And people are excited about this. I know nothing about this place other than to say that so far my opinion is that this is working about as well as Tiana's Bayou Adventure. After about 10 minutes, yeah, we're still not on the elevator yet. This is the line. The escalator's broken. They won't even let you walk up the escalator like it's stairs. Well, we finally made it up to the very, very slow elevator doors. Got stopped right here. There's the sign, and we are still waiting. Oh my gosh. And as you can see, these racks are incredibly organized and, you know, not sifted through at all. We're in. Okay, here we go. Thank you. Disney X Primark. Finally made it up. Is it worth it? Well, I don't know. I guess if you like Spider-Man, come out lots and lots of Spider-Man.
Oh gosh, why, thanks pal. Welcome to Primark. Oh boy, have a great time shopping. Steve spend lots and lots of money.
Well, there is a benefit to the fact that the escalator is broken right now. It's not nearly as busy up here on the Disney floor, so I imagine that there's lots of people like us that really don't love to use the elevator, but it's not as like this space is maybe a third of the size of downstairs, maybe a fourth. It's really small, but you know, here it is. Here's the Disney merch that I don't know why people are so excited about, but I guess some people are. So there we go. Welcome to Florida, Mickey and Friends Disney Primark. Here's the broken escalator from the top. I think this is like the perfect right here. Broken Disney, broken Disney, broken Disney. Yeah, that just is par for the course these days. You know what this makes me miss? This makes me miss the actual Disney store that used to be here. I don't think the Disney store is here anymore. What do you think, baby? See anything good?
I like this. I'm checking this. So I can say it's okay, but the quality is not the quality in Disney. This is okay. It's okay.
It's not the same as in the parks, you mean?
No, it's not the same.
So there, that's.
Totally, it's not the same quality.
I can feel that. You can feel it kind of just by feeling the plushie. Look, her cheeks light up though.
This is okay. I like it. Yes, but I
Look.
see the clothes.
Oh, Mickey.
Okay, so apparently some of the biggest thing is the prices, right? Primark. Now, I don't know. Can we find the price easily? $21. There you go. $21 for these Spider-Man flip-flop things. This jacket, $17. Is that a good deal? It feels like Walmart quality to me, personally, and you can find something very similar, if not exactly the same, at Walmart. This looks like a semi-costume slash pajamas, maybe. I mean, there's plenty of cute Spidey stuff. I do like this bag. This is a nice bag. All right, Mickey, tell us your price. $27. Now, I will say, for a bag like this, $27 is not a bad price, because something like this at Disney, at the parks you might pay $50 to $100 for. But I don't know the quality of it really. It doesn't feel like great quality. Where's it made? Does it say? I don't know. I didn't see where it's made. I'm trying to see the language here. It looks like Italian, but that's not bad. And here's one thing you can tell about the quality. If you look at whatever this material is, I don't think it's real leather, but you can see that it's already tearing. So this thing is probably going to wear out a lot quicker than a quality level bag would. Like this is not a Loungefly backpack, and you can tell it's not, definitely does not have the Loungefly quality. You can feel it. Probably much cheaper than a Loungefly. Yeah, so it's about a quarter of the price of a Loungefly, but you can feel the cheapness of it. It's going to wear out quick. And even Loungeflies wear out, but it takes time and it takes a lot of wear. There's a Deadpool and Wolverine. These shirts are $14 each. Now, very popular at this very second. But again, a couple months from now, $7 each maybe.
Ohana means family, and family means never being left behind or forgotten.
So these plushies over here, one of the things to notice about these plushies is that they are not Disney parks quality. They're kind of hard. Plushies in Disney parks are really soft and plush. These feel about the same as they do over at Walmart, and all of our Walmarts near Disney World, they all sell merchandise like this. Can anybody tell me when 1960s colors came back into style? I don't know. These are definitely very retro feeling. From this vantage point, you get a pretty good overview of the entire upstairs Disney area of Primark. This is it. There's a pretty good amount of space taken up by the escalators, only one of which is working right now. Little baby Yoda-ish stuff. I don't know what. Oh, there's Pink Stitch and Baby Yoda together, which makes no sense whatsoever, but whatever. I'm sure they don't care about theming here. Bye, Mickey.
Me gustó.
Okay, we have exited Primark. Thank God. I am very ready to be out. This is where's the Florida Mall? The weather's not looking great. I don't know where we go from here. We shall see. We might go to eat. It's an amazing thing that in today's world of dying malls, the Florida Mall is crazy busy almost all the time. It's wild.
2 hours later.
And now we're at Beth's Burger Bar. I've always wanted to try this place. Because it's supposedly the best burgers in Orlando, so we shall see. This is much better. This place is empty right now. We picked the right time of the day to come here. Yay. Orlando City. Okay, so you can come over here, look at the menu, you can order. There's Beth. So she does work in the store. Beth's Burger Bar. Beth is here. We got menus though, so we can look over the menus and we can take a seat. And when Virginia, my beautiful wife, here she is. She's coming over, and we're going to take a look at the menu. And Beth will come over. We'll meet Beth, and we'll say hi to her. Yay! So here's a quick overview of the menu. They let you create your own. You can choose your own protein, buy the burger. They also have these signature burgers. They also have a competition for $16.99, a 4-patty burger. This is the back. There's a little bit about Beth. So you can see they have a pretty good menu. All right, so my wife went for the Black Jack burger, but she's replacing the Thousand Island dressing with blue cheese dressing, and I'm trying the Western burger, which is basically like a barbecue. Pepper jack, cheese, onion rings, barbecue sauce, and jalapenos. So we'll see how it is.
The Western burger.
It's over here.
There we go. Nice. Enjoy, guys. My name's Sydney. Thank you.
Sydney.
Qué bonita.
Oh my goodness, baby! How's it look?
This is so beautiful. Love it. Look like a tower. Muy bien.
So we don't like to film ourselves actually eating. I try to avoid that. We're done. It was delicious. I don't know what else to say about it. Was it the best burger that I've had in Orlando? No, but it was definitely better than Ford's Garage for sure. And it's right up there with some of the best burgers that I've had on Disney property, which are a lot more expensive. I think my burger was a double for $10, so and considering they're gourmet burgers, not a bad deal. So really, really good. And the fries, both sweet potato and regular fries, fantastic. Very good. And so before we leave, I thought it'd be fun to take one last look around, just so you can see the ambiance of Beth's Burger Bar. You can see that she's got her accolades up on the wall and some different decor of different things that are around Orlando, even including Disney. She's got the Country Bears on the wall. Quite the selection of beers. Clearly, they store it right here. And you've got the American flag represented and some other decor, the burger painting there. And then over here, you have a selection of different t-shirts that you can buy. So if you want to buy some merch, she's got the Best Burger Bar merch there. You've got, everything here in one stop. This, by the way, is right across from where they're building Epic Universe. So I think the store is going to get a lot busier next year when Epic is open. It's pretty incredible. Oh, thank you so much for coming in today, guys, and watching the vlog. And where do we go? Primark, yes. Okay, so thank you for coming in today and watching our vlog on the new Primark at Florida Mall and Beth's Burger Bar, which was really, really good. So it's surprisingly good burgers. What did you think of yours?
I love it. I will come back again.
And we'll come back again. And the fries and the sweet potato fries were really, really good too. So
Yes.
make sure you leave a like on the vlog if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel, of course, and click that notifications bell, because when you click it, you stick it to the YouTube algorithm and you're notified of all of our uploads here. Follow the Bradley's Fun. Also, before you head out the door, please leave a comment below and share this on all your social medias. And until next time, thank you so much, and we'll see you real soon. Bye, everybody. Ciao.